Hi everyone, it's Laura Christine from Kitchen Garden Expert, and today we are going to talk about how to winterize your garden, so stay tuned. First step is to remove any plants that have died or have debris, and if you have perennials you can cut them down. Reasons for taking out the debris and dead plants is it might harbor pests and diseases that you don't want to start your new growing season off with. The next step I like to do when I winterize my garden is I like to take a manure, or a composted manure I should say, and put a couple of inches over the top of the garden. One reason for putting compost on top of soil is to reintroduce some good microbes, and it allows microorganisms and worms that are in the soil to break this down, and as it breaks down, of course, nutrients are going to go into the soil. So it's like a win-win. It's prepping your soil actually for next year. You have two choices to put a mulch over your compost. One choice can be cedar mulch. Cedar mulch is good at being a bug repellent, and it breaks down slowly. Your second choice is to put a layer of mulched grass and leaves over the compost. I put a couple of inches, and that will definitely go down once we get a little bit rain. It's great. The compost is great for introducing microorganisms and worms to some nutrients, and also the grass and the leaves will be broken down by those microorganisms and the worms. So all of this is a win-win for your garden in the spring. I hope this was helpful. Please smash that like button, subscribe, and share this information for others. I'd love to share information. Until next time, have a fantastic gardening day.